I'm right now in Planum School for my stargazing shows, and there's a jungle fire which is raging on this nearby mountain. So we have the children here from the various other schools also undergoing a camp, and then we had this bush fire which started off, and it has engulfed most of the mountain which is just next to the school. And this is a pine forest wherein we have those uh, pine needle leaves which are spread all across the mountain, and they have caught fire. And now what you're seeing right now here are some personnel from school. They're trying to contain it, but this is raising this like an inferno. Issue for the school is that the water pipe is running through the forest which has got damaged. So this is going to severely impact the water supply to the entire school. And right now what we're trying to do is we're trying to save that pipe from the fire. And now this is a huge mountain. This is a big hill here which is totally covered with the dry grass and pine leaves. So it looks like this inferno is going to rage whole night tonight. And the only endeavor on our part is that it should not spread towards the school, and as it is, school is towards downhill, so we are expecting that this fire will not come towards the school and keep going up. There are very limited resources with the school to contain this fire now. So bush fire, and terrain is all jungle, and there's no way the fire brigade vehicles can come here. As we see now, the top portion of the mountain, which is having, I think, a huge pilage of dry leaves, has started burning. And this is like a volcano. Entire mountain seems to be, getting engulfed with the raging fire.
First time we are experienced this.
Is it?
I have experienced too many times.
Two times.
Twice?
Because last
I'm
time
first
also,
time.
na, there it had
That-
started from little amount,
Okay.
and then in the night around 2 a.m. the whole peak of the mountain was.
Oh, totally burnt, huh?
Yes.
Yeah,
But नीचे
so
चले
looks
क्या
like
करेंगे?
similar
देखो,
thing is going to
heat
happen
आ रही है.
here. There are some children with me who have come on top, telling me that this fire broke off last year also, and the entire mountain was engulfed. It looks like the similar scenario is unfolding here, and we're going to have this fire raging. Just be careful, careful. जहाँ से भाई? So as we see, the school personnel are trying to contain the fire near the boundary. They are extinguishing the fire which is coming down, and the main aim is to stop it from spreading downwards. There's a lot of heat. I'm standing very close to a fire now. I can actually feel the heat right on my face, and I must say these people are doing a fantastic job, and they have been doing it again. And they are experienced in containing this fire. So what they're doing is they're setting up a boundary here. If you see, they are removing all the leaves and all the dry matter on the boundary so that the fire doesn't come down. And as it is, this jungle fire, it is moving upwards. So they have done a good job, and it looks like the fire is no way going to come downhill now, and the school is apparently out of danger. And they have also saved much of the water pipeline which is running just on this border. The man who's standing here, who's containing fire, he's standing on the edge of the that pipeline which is running, which provides supply to the entire school. So far they have been able to contained this fire, and looks like they would be able to protect the entire school pipeline, and there'll be water in the morning for us to brush our teeth. The school is in the midst of a valley, far away from the normal population. This is a village close by which is 5 kilometers. Otherwise, this is complete jungle. So it is a self-contained kind of environment here. It's like island in the ocean, which has got its own system of water supply, own generators and power supply and everything. So if something like this happens and the water supply is disrupted, there is a issue. So this is some sight to behold, some spectacle, as if it's a raging inferno. I can see the top of the mountain is completely burning now. This is just like a volcanic eruption, wherein the entire mountain is on fire. But the school personnel have done a fantastic job in containing the fire. If you see, the entire school boundary is protected, and the fire has pretty much stayed above a particular line where the school's fencing is starting. So that's a good job. And as for the rest of the mountain, there's a village uphill which is around 2 kilometers behind the mountain. But apparently, the villagers are also very adept at containing these kind of fires. They have their fields which are totally devoid of any foliage. So all around the village, we have these fields wherein there is no foliage and there is no crop. Apparently, they make those boundaries from as a protection measure against such fires, so that if the fire is raging in the mountains and moving up, the village and the houses are saved, because there's not enough material in the vicinity of houses for the fire to move on. So this is what is living in the hills, and this is what the people face almost every day, every season here, when the jungles catch fire, and the pine trees and much of the foliage which I can see is already burning, and it is like cinders all the way as we look up the mountain. So initially, the first attempt when the fire took place, then we were all on top. We are setting up a telescope and waiting. We are rigging up a camp for the stargazing. When the fire broke out, the entire school, all the children, everybody was out with the buckets, the pipes, and they were able to extinguish that part of the fire which was on the right side. However, they basically made a boundary and the fire didn't come down. But the fire kept raging upwards in the jungles, and there was a possibility of it spreading further in the night. So what these people are doing now is they have done is basically they established a boundary. They have burnt all the foliage in a contained manner, which is close to the school. And apparently, when everything is burnt here on this boundary line, then during the night, the fire will keep moving upwards and towards in the jungle upwards, but it will not be coming down towards the school. Looks like that the immediate danger is over, and most of the foliage, dry leaves are already burnt off, and they have been able to, the school personnel have been able to remove the most of the material which was on the boundary. So this is a fantastic job which has been done by the fire personnel. Very, very skillful work they've done in the night in a very difficult terrain. And also, like we seen earlier, the kids have done a fantastic job of containing the first part of fire which broke off. They were able to put in their efforts, join in their forces, and they were able to extinguish a huge patch of fire which took place right behind the academic block. So this is this goes on to show that the spirit of the children here. I was really amazed. Children, the principal of the school himself, and most of the staff, all of us were part of this huge spectacle, and we're trying to contain fire in our own strength. Portion now is the last patch, which is getting burnt, and hopefully after this there won't be any spread of fire towards the school, and it would keep raging away from the school up in the mountains. As you see, this is a huge patch of about 500 meters front, which has totally got burnt off just outside the school boundary. And it's a fantastic skillful job which has been done by school personnel. They have been able to contain the fire, and they have been able to establish a boundary very skillfully, and apparently they have averted a danger which was there to the school and the academic block because of the fire raging just very close to the in the vicinity of the school. So this was a fantastic exercise in team building and very skillful handling of a calamity, of an emergency which broke out, and the school children and the school staff and the personnel who are still fighting the fire, they have and containing the fire, they have displayed immense skill in handling an emergency like this without any help from outside. A really wonderful job, and the spirit of these people is really commendable. Anil Singhu, I am reporting from Planum School. So it looks like the sky is getting clear now, and we should be able to do some stargazing as well. Children who have done a good job today, they are in for a treat when the skies clear off and the stars shining brightly on top. So this was a good exercise today, which we saw in containing a disaster which took off, a natural calamity, and I must say that the school, the personnel have got a lot of skill ingrained in them to beat such kind of challenges which come, especially when the help from outside is difficult to come by.
अगर उधर से चल के पूरे वो वहाँ पे पानी लीक हो जाएगा।
तुम पहुंचा अभी 1 मिनट।
Okay, team, look up here. Well done, everyone. Good Josh. Very good. Hey guys, very good Josh, very nice. Good Josh, shabash. Now be careful, don't get hurt. आराम से नीचे आओ. ले भाई ले. Guys, how is Josh? दाब गिरेगा,